So, hi friends, today I would be teaching you and letting you know some information about software processes. Software processes generally we come across in software engineering or in software development. So, what is a software process? A software process that consists of a sequence or set of activities that are executed, and it consists of resources that work together in order to build a software product. So if you look into it, sequences or set of activities and resources, these are the two key elements in a software process that are used to build a product. So if you look at the basic processes activities that are used, is the first one is software specification. This is a set of activity that includes requirement elicitation and analysis. So basically, when a software needs to be developed, you generally collect the requirements, and then elicitation is a way in which you collect requirements. It can be through a brainstorming session or survey or feedback or Q&A, a call. It can be anything through which you collect the requirements, and once you have collected the requirements, you definitely need to do an analysis in order to identify the feasibility of the requirement, how well it can be implemented into the software. The second stage is software development. Now, once you have completed your software specification, you move on to development. So in this phase, what you would be doing is you would be documenting, you would be designing the software. Once you have designed it, you would go take it in for development, where actually the product will be developed. And once it's developed, you'll go into testing. And after testing, if there are possible bugs identified, those bugs will be fixed. The third process is software validation, where you actually validate the software against the requirements that were given from the user and as well as the business requirements. So you validate if all these requirements satisfies the end user's needs. And the fourth one is software evolution. So once you're done with the development of the software and you have probably deployed it and published it, you would have to keep evolving it if necessary based on maybe the technology or adding new features in. So this is what you generally do in the evolution process. And when you look into resources, the second key element of a software process, you would have software, hardware, people, time, and cost. So these are all the different resources that we can consider who work or are used in order to develop a software. Definitely, we need some sort of software. If not, we need an hardware. We definitely need people to perform that particular activity. We need the time to perform the activity, as well as cost. Cost in the sense we need to pay our employees, we need to pay resources, we need to pay for software, technology, network. So all these come under resources, which makes up the software process. Thank you.